Here's a quick and easy way to find the center of a board without using your tape measure or any math. Make a self-centering jig. This is simply a short length of 1x2, and I drilled 3 holes into it. On each end, I drilled a 3/8 inch diameter hole and a 5/16 inch diameter hole in the middle. Then I took 2-inch long, 3/8 inch diameter wooden dowels, and I hammered them into the outside holes. And now, to use the jig, you simply set it on the board and rotate it. It doesn't matter which direction, you rotate it till the pins make contact with the edges. Put the pencil in the middle and slide it along. And you'll have a line right down the exact center of the board. And this also works on the edge of the board, by the way. And it doesn't even matter what size the board is, as long as the jig is long enough. You can make this of any length, and the pins are spaced. And the most important thing is the center hole is right exactly in the center between the 2 pins. But here it is on edge. Again, just rotate it, slip in the pencil, draw the line. Perfect center line right down the middle.